I've actually noticed something pretty interesting with the new Model Y. It makes a different noise than previous versions, and the only thing I can really compare this to is maybe it kind of makes like a little bit of a noise, kind of like how the new Cybertruck motor whine has a interesting different noise. Let me actually show you. So right now we're driving on the road, just our usual commute, but if I get on the accelerator just a little bit, there is a different whine slash motor whine maybe coming from the front that's more different than other versions before. I don't know if you guys can hear that, and I'm actually only in like chill mode. Let me switch it to sport. Now we are getting on the highway. Let me slow down. Yeah, let me know if you guys hear that. That is definitely different from the other previous generation Model Ys, and also different from the Model 3 performance that we had pretty recently as well. Now this could be two things, right? This could be Tesla maybe making more noise or turning up the noise because there was some good feedback on it, or are the motors different, maybe more efficient, or maybe even more powerful as well? Let us know what you think down below in the description. I just want to make a quick video out there that maybe the Model Y has a different motor noise.